Good Saturday evening, meteorologist Mike Brookins here. Hope you had a great day. We did have some unsettled weather during the afternoon, especially south of Onondaga County. We did see some warmth and mugginess as well above what is typical for this time of the year, both the warmth and humidity. We hit 78 degrees. The dew points were climbing well into the 60s and the upper 60s briefly. Temperatures also hit 77 in Penn Yan. A little cooler up in the North Country. Watertown 72, and right along Lake Ontario shoreline it was likely close to 70 degrees as the water is still rather cool to chilly. So that 78 topped out 9 degrees above average. We were 8 above average last night with a low temperature of only 54. And I think tonight we're also going to be well above what is typical for this time of the year. Now the record was 90 degrees. That was safe back in 1962. Well, here's what we can expect going forward for tonight. We'll likely only drop into the 50s and upper 50s in some spots, with showers tapering off pretty early for Syracuse. Likely just some isolated light showers very early in the evening. And then as we progress through the evening, there'll actually be some parting of the sky. Further south and southeast of Onondaga County, this may linger a little bit longer. There may also be a thunderstorm early this evening. There'll be some areas of dense fog setting up. Watch out for that. As early as 10, 11 o'clock it starts to form, but it'll be at its thickest 3, 4, 5 o'clock in the morning. Could be very dense in some areas. Some patchy fog early on tomorrow, otherwise partly sunny and warmer. Most areas are going to be dry. We're running a risk for an isolated shower in the afternoon for some areas. We'll detail that. Highs will be back into the lower 80s for tomorrow, so quite warm. The humidity actually goes down. The wind flow coming in out of the north-northeast, so that'll drop the dew points into the 50s. Warm and humid conditions for Monday come back at us. We'll be in the mid-80s, and as a cold front approaches, there'll be some scattered showers and thunderstorms. Those scattered showers south of Onondaga County, spotty here in Syracuse. By midnight, should be down into the Catskills and further to the south in Pennsylvania. So our sky partly to mostly cloudy here. Then there'll be some low clouds and fog setting up. You know, they're showing a little break here on the Futurecast right at 7 a.m. We very well may be looking at some of that low cloud cover and locally dense fog. The fog burns off, so does the clouds. We turn to a mix of sun and clouds here by 1 o'clock. More in the way of clouds in through the Finger Lakes as we work into the midday and afternoon. There, only partial sunshine. When you work north and east of Onondaga County, a better chance for mostly sunny skies. And I can't rule out when you get here into Ontario, Yates, Seneca, Schuyler, and Tompkins counties, well southwest of Onondaga County, a spotty shower tomorrow afternoon. Futurecast is showing it getting close, and I think it comes a little closer than that. Going into tomorrow evening, partly cloudy. We'll turn mostly cloudy late at night with a risk for a shower. This could be a little underdone as well as we go into Monday afternoon. A much greater threat for scattered to occasional showers and thunderstorms. Could be some heavy rain on Monday afternoon as well. So for this evening, any spotty showers will be tapering off. Notice the clouds starting to part a little bit. It is muggy in the evening, 70s falling into the 60s. And then the humidity may start to drop a little bit by late night. We'll find some patchy fog, 65 at 11 o'clock, and that becomes locally dense fog here 3, 4, 5 o'clock in the morning as the winds are nearly calm and we have the moisture from earlier in the day. I think the fog is going to be most prevalent where it rained during the evening, and that's primarily south of Syracuse versus to the north. Patchy fog early on, otherwise the winds are going to be light in the morning. We'll develop more in the way of sunny breaks, so a mix of sun and clouds by late morning. In the afternoon, a high temperature of 81 with low humidity. Should be a nice end to the weekend. 84 then coming up on Monday with scattered showers and storms. A few more showers and storms, the breaks of sun on Tuesday. We're turning cooler and less humid. Only 60 by Wednesday, in the 60s late week.